Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today I'm making this video. I'm gonna be bringing you guys the absolute sauce. All right, if you guys trade SPY, if you guys look at SPY, if you guys even think about SPY, I promise this is something that you need on your trading, on your charts. So it's definitely helped me improve my trading tremendously. I feel like it can help you improve yours as well. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna come over here to this indicators tab. We're gonna type in Caleb. It's gonna be this Caleb supply and demand zones. Now, as you can see, we don't need to do anything with the settings. The way that it pops up on the chart is the way that we're going to use it. So let me go a little bit into depth on how I took 2 trades today. Was done by 11:30 with 5% on the port. So, if we're looking at the chart here, as you can see, obviously this is demand and this is supply, right? We respect the demand very well here and here. We got a nice push up to supply. Now, usually whenever we start to consolidate and wick around the bottom of supply, I think of puts just like display here. As you can see, it's very similar. We got to push up. We had 1 2 3 4 5 wicks off the bottom of the supply zone. Now, usually I do like to think of puts, and I did take puts here off of this candle with extra confirmation on the 1 minute time frame. My PT was this VWAP right here, just because VWAP is a known spot. If we come back to test that, it's gonna be a spot where we bounce, right? Yeah, more than likely we're gonna bounce right here. So with that knowledge, we did have a PT here. As you can see, we didn't touch it, to the cent, but we did get out around this area for 60% profit, and which is very good because as you can see, we did push back up. So like I said, I usually do like to play these zone to zone, but if we do have a major key level in between, or if we do have indicators in between, it's definitely not something that I'm willing to risk, especially with the 60%. We don't need to be greedy. We don't need to always look for those 100 home run, swings, those type of plays, right? So with that being said, you can see it was very familiar. Now, something that we did have here was yesterday's high, and as you can see, we were respecting that level very well. We didn't get a candle close below this yesterday's high, so I was not jumping into puts off that. Now, instead, we waited. We watched this push up, and once we push through supply, it now flips to demand, right? So as you can see, we got this candle close above demand now. We back tested it, and with extra confirmation on the 1 minute time frame, we did get into some calls, and our PT was this 421 area. Just because if we look back a little bit, we can see wicks here, 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 this huge wick here. So in my head, we needed a candle close above this 421 to be, for a continuation higher. Obviously, you can see that we got a continuation higher, but that's just, how I was looking at the situation. So, as you can see, we did get rejected off this 421. I did exit my position here, and this was for about 30% profit. Now, I think I screenshotted it at like 24, 25, just because, it's a little hard to to get the screenshot and then also be in this volatile market trying to, execute my trading plan the way that I want to. But we did get a push up to the bottom of the supply zone again, right? Now, usually, like I said, around this area, we do usually look for puts if we don't get a nice strong move to the upside. But something that we did realize on the 1 minute time frame was we had a little miniature demand zone, and I'll put that on the screen for you right now. And if we could not, we were wicking out of that really, really nicely. And once we reclaimed the 90 MA in the 1 minute, I did enter more calls here. And as you can see, we broke through daily highs at the time. We did exit here after I saw something I did not like on the 1 minute, and we secured our profits. Those are our 2 trades for the day, and like I said, we were done at 11:30. And even after this, as you can see, we wick this zone. All these wicks here at this zone, we respect it very well, and then we get a nice little push up. So like I said, this is definitely something that's helped me. We're up over 70 something percent on the month, which is pretty great in my opinion. So if you guys want to try this, give it a try for yourself. Let me know if it works for you. Go down into the comments. If you guys have any questions, I'll answer the best of my knowledge. But it's been Ty Millie Trades, and I'm out. Peace.